Hey guys, I know it's been a while and I feel like I always say that, but I know it's been a while since I last did any type of product review. And I am happy that this video is sponsored by EveryLash, and these are magnetic eyelashes, okay? So this pair of eyelashes, it is 100% mink, so that is good to know. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, apply them, and let you guys know what I think. Okay guys, so the application of the magnetic eyelashes is pretty simple if you have ever worn eyelashes before. So what you're gonna do is apply the magnetic liquid eyeliner along your lash line. So you're going to allow that to dry for up to 1 minute, and then you're gonna go ahead and apply the eyelash. So let's get started. Okay guys, and as you can see, that first layer of the magnetic part is on my lash line. So now what I'm going to do is take the actual lashes themselves, and they should just snap right on there because it is magnetic. So okay, so here we go, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put this part on, the actual lashes. Okay, you guys, and there you go. Lash 1 is done. Now, what I must say I love about this is the fact that you could just easily put these on in a matter of seconds. And then when you're ready to remove them, you just take them off. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and apply the second lash. Don't you hate when the glue is on the tweezers and it doesn't want to release? But let's go ahead and do the second lash. I like to put them on in the middle first and then get the corners. And just like that. Pretty. All right guys, so go ahead and follow EveryLash on Instagram, and you guys go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up. These lashes feel very good. You see, it instantly gave me like baba voom, okay, volume. They look natural. They definitely made my eyes wake up. So yes, you guys, go ahead and follow them on Instagram. I'm going to leave their information in the description box. Let me know if you guys have tried magnetic lashes, if you are a fan, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Thumbs up, thumbs up. All right, guys.